Here's a special message for every play school owner who needs more admission but is unable to do so. Hi, my name is Gyan Sahu, and if you want to succeed with getting more admissions, then pay very close attention. Many play school owners suffer from the idea that getting students online is completely impossible, but that is actually completely wrong. And nothing could be further from the truth. And if you have empty seats in your play school waiting for students, then this is exactly what you are looking for. I would like to introduce you to Play School Admission Growth Kit, which helps you to reach poor parents and fill the empty seats of your school with students. Now, Play School Admission Kit makes it simple for you to reach more parents with the right message at the right time, works for you 24/7, bringing inquiries even when the school is closed or even while you are sleeping. It gives you the exact type of content that you need to post to get results. That is, this system, it is a completely done for you 30-day success plan. And it costs less than a traditional method of the pamphlet and poster system which we are used to. And then after that we hope that it brings results and get more admissions. And finally, it helps you get more admission and build better branding and reputation of your play school. And apart from this, it delivers much and much more, which we will discuss later. And what makes this even better? Now you never have to worry about the empty classrooms, lack of admission, or rising cost to run the school again, which also means you are not stuck with the feeling that like how to give the salaries, pay rent, or meet other expenses of your play school. And the best thing of all, you will start seeing results with Play School Admission Growth Kit in less than a week, and it costs just $2,997 to start. Actually, there are more packages if you want the faster results, but $2,997 is the starting point of this particular, that is the Play School Admission Growth Kit. Okay, so again, if you are stressed about empty seats and students count in your play school, understand this. Parents are actively looking for play schools for their kids. Kids have to take admission in some schools, so why not yours? And if you do not reach them with the right information at the right time, someone else will do it, and that will be a lost opportunity. So the question is, can you afford this? And as I mentioned earlier also, that is the traditional methods of pamphlets and posters, which most of the play schools, most of the coaching centers and schools, they do. Apart from ads, if they have larger budget, then they give ads in paper also, that is the newspaper. But these traditional methods, they have stopped working, and you have no control to which person it is reaching and whether they need it or not. Okay, so that is the traditional approach, and moreover you have to print it and then again hope that the right people sees it. So please remember, you cannot let things happen, because this is the time where you cannot let things happen, and instead you have to make things happen. Okay, so this is the major advantage or the major difference that is going to set your admission rate apart from others. Okay, so now the Play School Admission Growth Kit that we have described, it holds the key to filling your empty seats of your play school with cute little kids. Okay, so let's discuss in detail to implement this for your play school, and you can contact me in WhatsApp in this particular number. And also kindly note that the package starts from $2,997, and obviously this is not a free service. So respecting time of both of us, that is you and me, kindly contact only if this particular number, that is the figure of $2,997, is okay for you. Okay, so let's implement Play School Admission Growth Kit for you, that is for your play school. And just you can contact me in this number right now, and we will fix a call, that is we'll schedule a call, and in 20 to 30 minutes I will describe the service, that is the actual thing that we are going to provide, and which is going to help in more admissions for your play school. Okay, so that's all for this presentation. Okay, so bye for now, and just contact me and we'll get in touch soon. Okay, so bye for now.